Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve lead code problem number 185. Problem is department top 3 salaries and the problem difficulty level is hard. And in my previous video we solved the uh, lead code problem that was the highest salaries, right? So we already read about the questions that is given about the employee and department table. So those two tables here in this question is the same. So let's see. So we have given an employee table containing the ID, name, salary, department ID, where ID is the primary key. Okay, and we have given a department table also where ID is the primary key. And let's see what we need to find. So a company executive are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's departments. So high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for the department. Write a solution to find the employees who are high earners in each of the departments. We have to return the result table in any order. Let's see the input. So we have given a table employee containing ID, name, salary, department ID, where ID is 1 to till 7, and the name are like Joy, Henry, Sam, Max, Janet, Randy, and Will, right? So here in this table we have a department ID also, and in next table, that is department table, their ID is the department ID, right? So in output we have to find the department name, employee name, and salary. So in my previous video we solved the question like what is the highest salary of the department wise, right? So in each department we solve this problem using common table expression and window function. So just we partition the data department wise, and we order the data order by salary, right? So where we rank the salary amounts with the highest to lowest. So like I have written there, like where rank is equal to 1. Here only little a modification, because we have to find the top 3 highest salary in each department. The problem statements is different. The problem the solution of this problem is a little modifications. So let's approach this problem. If you had watched my video, so it will be easy for you, but I'm going to explain each and everything in this video also. So let's see the implementation. So we will use the common table expression here, and we know that common table expression as we write with the with clause, right? So with ct as, and then select a dot name as employee and a dot salary. So we have to see here, like in output, employee name is as employee. So that is why a dot name here I alias is with the employee only, right? And we will use this here window function, that is dense rank. And I have told you about dense rank. Why we are using dense rank here? Because we have a tight data. There is a like there is no gap between the salary. So in this in each department there can be multiple employees that have the same salary. So a dot salary and dense rank over partition by we will do partition by department, right? So we have a department table, department, and order by salary. So we can say a dot salary. So I am using employee table as A and department table as B. So let's fetch the department name also here. B dot name as department. Okay, A dot name as employee, A dot salary as salary, dense rank over partition by B dot department. Because in department table, department name is as department, so we will take this department B dot name. Order by A dot salary in descending order. Okay, as RNK from employee table, add A inner join department table as B on A dot, let's say A dot department ID. We are joining on department ID. Department ID where B dot ID. We in department column ID, department ID is as ID. Sorry guys, department ID. And then we will fetch the intermediate registers from our common table expression. Select department and employee and salary, their salary from CT where rank is less than equal to 3. Why I'm taking less than equal to 3? Because we order the data by salary column in descending order. So our top salaries will be in the top, right? So let's run the query. Yeah, so as it is accepted, so our output and expected both are matching. There is no issue. We can submit this query. Let's see. Yeah, so every test cases are passed 21 by 21 and it took 1320 milliseconds here. Okay, I hope you understand the questions along with the query implementation. And if you don't understand, so please rewatch video and you can watch the previous video that was about the highest salary. Okay, so it is an interesting question and it is asked in every interviews, mostly 80% interviews. This questions is on priority. Okay, okay guys, so for today thank you so much. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. For till that, keep learning, keep growing.